Happy birthday.
Hello, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Birthday po.
So, ano ba yung...
Ikaw muna.
Sabay na tayo. Ano ba yung accomplishments ni Sir Vern sa center? Ako, para sa akin, yung ano yun eh. Sabay siyang naging director at saka dean. Director ng center at saka dean ng College of Music. So, like, sa akin, ang laki kasi accomplishment. Ang hirap kasi niyang gawin. Ang dami niyang kailangan isipin niya. Tapos, ikaw?
Para sa akin kasi maraming accomplishment si sir. So, same na lang din yun sa'yo, pero marami. So, yung akin lang is yung mga ang galaw kasi ni sir sa amin is hinahayaan niya kami kapag sa trabaho namin, hindi siya masyadong mahigpit, tsaka hindi siya masyadong tawag dito. Basta hindi siya masyadong mahigpit, hinahayaan niya lang kami.
Hindi yung...
Parang pinagkakatiwalaan niya lang kami din sa kung ano yung line of work din namin. Yun.
Yeah.
Sir Vern, Tatay Vern, happy birthday po at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kaalaman na ibinahagi niyo sa akin, sa amin sa tugma. Simula po nung ako'y isang inosenteng freshman pa lamang dito sa kolehiyo ng musika at kayo'y department chair po nun sa Department of Musicology hanggang sa naging dekano, hanggang sa naging director ng Center for Ethnomusicology na kung saan din po ako ngayon nagkatrabaho sa kasalukuyan. Maraming salamat po sa gabay.
I haven't been with Ethno for that long, pero isa talaga sa mga nakita ko sa ginawa ni Sir Vern sa Ethno. Sobrang admirable for me yung especially yung projects ng repatriation. Kasi sobrang laki nung records, laki nung material sa archive. And yung intention na maibalik lahat yon sa communities, for me that's a very big thing. And also, malaking bagay din na nakita ko sa mga accomplishments ni Sir Vern talaga was yung paano niya binivision na ma-upgrade yung center, na maging world-class siya. So, yung attention to making sure that the staff are well-trained, are well-equipped, yung support niya doon, tapos yung paglatag ng roadmap. So, ang laking bagay niya kasi may kita mo yung attention to detail talaga ni Sir Vern doon sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Kaya, ang ganda tuloy nung nangyayari sa center.
Happy birthday, Sir Vern! Ano ba mo masasabi ko tungkol kay Sir Vern? Ano yung mga remarkable things sa work niya and accomplishments dito sa Ethno? One is the trust and support na binigay niya sa staff. The fact na hinahayaan niya kaming mag-handle ng mga projects. And then, very supportive siya in terms of for staff development, if there are workshops that we want to attend, if there are classes, he will support us on that. Gusto ko rin yung remarkable din yung vision niya for the center, especially with engaging yung stakeholders, including source communities, and then yung sa mga donors, even with yung remembering yung partnership with maintaining close ties with College of Music and other institutions.
Sir Vern is a very supportive boss. He is understanding of our personal needs, our individual needs, and whether these needs are for us as creatives, employees, or performers. He knows the whole gamut of things. So he is just when he allows us to go, he is understanding in such a way that will make us feel pride, also be proud of who we are as employees of the center, giving back to the center, like a boomerang effect when we are allowed to develop our own personal careers. And this has become a good practice for us. Makes us accomplish more, thereby making Ethno accomplish more as well.
Ganong pamamaraan niya na parang sige lang, gawin mo lang yan, kaya mo yan. Yun, parang doon ako nag-grow para kay Sir Vern na as director natin.
Actually,
Yeah.
parang ganun din na parang natuto ako na laging nakasupport yung mga namin. Si Sir Vern, sila Ate Sol, si Miss Grace. So, alam mo yun, yung trust sa,
Yung trust.
sa administration.
Ayun.
Maraming salamat po sa gabay na ibinahagi nyo sa amin sa tugma. Ito yung naghubog sa akin sa pagiging isang musiko, sa lahat ng mga kaalaman na ibinahagi nyo sa akin sa mga MUL classes, sa fieldwork, at isang tumatak sa akin na binanggit nyo noon na ibinahagi din sa inyo ni Dr. Rick Tremilios ay yung salitang always remember who you are and who you represent. Binanggit nyo po ito sa amin bago mag-start ang performance sa Thailand taong 2016. Lahat kami nito tahimik. Ang daming mga pumasok na ideya, mga tanong, at itong katagang to yung tumatak sa akin na hanggang sa kasalukuyan ay bitbit ko. At ito din katagang to ang naging rason kung ba't mas napamahal ako sa field ng musicology. Mas nakilala ko yung heritage ko, roots ko sa Cordillera. Mas inaral ko sila, natuto ko sa kanila, at ibinabahagi ko yung mga natutunan ko sa mga younger generations na mga musiko. Maraming salamat dun, sir. See you around. Happy birthday ulit, sir.
Labas din dun sa pagiging estudyante niya. Siguro, pag kausap, nag-discussions, whether sa discussions ng whether in class or kahit usap-usapan lang or kahit during work, gusto ko yung creative way of thinking and looking at the other aspects of stuff. Siguro dahil personally hindi ako ganun ka-creative, and when I listen to him on how to view the different angles, I grow from it kasi may doon ako natututo. At siguro nag-grow din ako dahil nga, again, related sa trust and support, dahil the fact na trinas niya how to handle projects, especially sa mga research, yung mga field research sa repatriation. It made me grow in how to handle those things. And kasama na din yung pag sinasabi niya ko, you to represent the center in certain meetings or certain workshops, and even to talk about the center, dahil I personally don't think hindi ako yung hiling mag-speak in public, so dahil he entrusts me with those tasks, it helped me grow as a person and as a worker, actually.
Actually, I've been under Sir Vern since I was an undergrad student. So, siya yung advisor ko actually for my BM sa musicology. And it's been very consistent since day one with working under Sir Vern as a student and as faculty as employee. Alam mo yon, yung attention to detail and vision ni Sir Vern, ibang level. Sa kanya ko natutunan na pwede palang ma-organize lahat ng dunong kabilis sa mga pagay-pagay. Tapos si Sir Vern, pag yan nag-decide yan, you will trust in his leadership. So, pag si Sir Vern na talaga nagsabi na sa amin na okay na to, and we know it's good enough for him na approve sa kanya. So, very important for me as someone working under his mentorship na talagang yung confirmation with your direct superior, that we have to learn to trust their vision. And sobrang thank you kay Sir Vern na natuto ko mag-trust sa vision ng mga nasa taas sa akin na they have this, they know what they're doing and we should trust that.
I have the privilege of saying that I was a student colleague, an employee, a subordinated server. I entered the College of Music being interviewed by him. I learned about field work from him in situ, even before I enrolled in MUL 192. When I was part of the project in Sariaya, everything I learned about field work and being respectful of the communities that I visit, I learned from him. It was such a big help in being the music researcher, ethnomusicologist that I am today.
Hello. So, si Sir Vern, hindi ko siya nakilala as a teacher. Kasi hindi ako taga-College of Music. So, nakilala ko na lang siya as the director of the UP Center for Ethnomusicology. But working with him, na-realize ko why his former students loved him so much. Binibigyan niya kami ng high level of trust in our work. Hindi siya nagma-micromanage. He just lets us do our thing and trusts na ginagawa namin yung tama kasi, well, professionals naman tayong lahat. And happy kami na makipag-work with him, not for him. And, well, pag nakakausap naman namin siya, mukhang satisfied naman siya sa work namin. Sana, Sir Vern.
Nag-team building tayo sa Guimaras na pinatalon niya ako dun sa mataas na na diving sa beach. Ayun, yun na yung pinaka-memorable experience ko kasi.
Okay. Sa akin, actually hindi ko pa rin lagi ko siya naalala. In charge kasi ako na magbigay ng mga documents kay Sir Vern for approval din. Tapos merong isang request from a researcher para sa final output niya sa school. Digital pa kasi yung request, so in-email ko sa kanya gano'n. Tapos pagbalik sa akin, nakalagay denied. Medyo nagpanik ako ng slide doon. So pinonfirm ko pa kay Sir Vern kung denied ba talaga request. Apparently, may problema yung software na ginagamit niya. So, namali lang ng punta yung checkmark. Yun lang naman. Yun lang. Okay.
Oh, yun lang.
Happy birthday ulit, sir.
So, we're just glad that he's our boss. And actually, he feels more like a dad or an uncle rather than a boss. Yung level of trust and chemistry allowed us to grow and excel, actually not only in our work or in our careers, but also in our academics kasi he's really a good inspiration for all of us. He's a real teacher through and through, and happy birthday, Sir Vern. Much respect to you.
Well, bilang isa sa mga mulat girls, tsaka syempre may comparison na isang ethno, yung mga tambay sa bahay ni Sir Vern, the fact na, di ba, nagkaroon ng comparison for yung as a mulat girl, that there's this safe space, open space, we're free to discuss thoughts, ideas on our topics. Kahit sa comparison naman, it's yung the jamming nights na merong space provided dun sa bahay niya. We feel very welcome and very warm. Now there's a warm, open space that welcomes us. Ang isa rin naalala ko is yung then, kasi nga supportive si Sir Vern and, you know, for staff na gusto niyang nag-grow yung mga people under him. Nag-grow yung mga people around him. Nag-post siya ng picture of hula male dancers sa Trello nun to encourage me to apply for grad school sa University of Hawaii na unfortunately hindi ko ginawa, pero maybe it's sometime in the future sa PhD pag natapwid ko ang aking MA magawa ko. Pero yun, nag-stick lang na yung male hula dancers sa Trello for that. Yun.
This is probably outside work kasi kinuha namin siyang ninong sa kasal. And one of the things talaga na hindi ko malilimutan was when he gifted us something, I won't say what, pero what he told specifically nung time na yun was, he could give many things, but if there was one thing that he wanted us to learn sa amin mag-asawa was to really learn to explore, and learn and be open to things, not just yung alam na namin. And alam mo yun, sobrang nakaka-touch kasi di ba, even outside work, he still mentors you. So, thank you, Sir Vern. Sobrang valuable po talaga na lahat ng tinuro niyo sa akin. Happy birthday. God bless.
One of the things that we did when we were in Sariaya was just to drive around, and I had no idea where we were going. I just thought it was like an afternoon drive, and we saw this tuklong, this chapel, and we dropped by there, and there was a pabasa ongoing. So we just sat there, listened. I observed how he observed, tried to learn what he was, doing, looking around. Me, in my naivety, I was just, oh, so nice. Okay, they're doing the pabasa. There's food around. People were inviting us, like, oh, eat also. Okay. Really, I had no idea what I was getting into, but somehow that stuck with me because it made me learn to look out for any opportunity, to grab any opportunity to learn about the culture, to learn about the community. So those are some of the most admirable things about Sir Vern. He is understanding. He finds opportunities where people don't see any, and he believes in us, whether as a student, as a subordinate, as a colleague. He is supportive that way, and we appreciate it very much. Sir Vern, happy birthday. It's your 65th, and you don't look a day over 65 today. God bless you.
Hi po sir, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa pagiging magaling at responsableng director namin. Mamimiss po namin magpasayin sa inyo sir. Ito.
Happy birthday, Sir Vern! Tyson, anong masasabi mo?
Sagot ka naman.
Tyson?
Hi, Sir Vern. Happy birthday. Stay baguette.
Hi, Vern. Maligayang ika-65 kaarawan. Bata ka pa. Kaya kailangang marami ka pang magagawa sa iyong buhay. Ngunit binabati kita ngayon sa iyong kaarawan.
Hi, Sir Vern. Hi from Araneta. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for all your support for UPSO and for me for my brief stint in Masters. So thank you so much. Wishing you more happy years to come. Happiness, health, and wealth. And yeah, we'll see you around. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Vern. Happy birthday. Sending you best wishes all the way from Thailand. I really enjoy my time with you. Since we know each other for more than a decade, you always gave me a very, very good experience with your questions, with your guidance, and with all of your suggestions, not only just in the academic world, but also in personal life and also in my career. And I wish you a very, very healthy and very, very successful year ahead. And of course, I'm very, very eagerly looking forward to our next meeting and all the gossip that you have up your sleeve. And I can't wait for you to share those gossip with me. Thank you so much. And once again, happy birthday to you, Sir Vern. Cheers!
Hi Vern, hau'oli lahanau. I hope that you have a well-deserved celebration close to your family, your friends, and your colleagues, and your multiple circles. This is probably your first birthday celebration since retirement, so you can actually have an extended one. Yeah, I wish you all the best. I'm happy that we're able to cross paths in multiple parts of Southeast Asia through various projects, given our common lineage, so to speak, to the Aina, to our gurus. In that way, you are my senpai, and yeah, we have a lot to share and catch up on shared experiences on different times. Anyways, but for now, yeah, all the best with the celebrations. I hope you have a couple of San Miguel's coming your way, and enjoy at the time. Yeah, next time we'll toast in person. So all the best, and I'll be raising a glass on your behalf. Yeah. Take care.
Hello, Vern. This is George Chen from NTNU, Taiwan. Hope to see you again in the near future. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vern, and many happy returns of the day. And hope your post-dean era will be as fruitful as it was ever.
Aloha, Vern. Hau'oli lahanau. Have a happy birthday. I hope this gets into the file in time. Aloha.